Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a simple format and committing to short bursts. This reduces friction and builds habit. Once chosen, set a realistic cadence, 5 to 10 minutes, 3 to 7 sessions a week, so you can sustain progress. Make 2 starter prompts, note how you feel and describe one specific event. This gives you immediate material and prevents staring at a blank page. Make sure to place the journal where you'll see it. That visible cue triggers action and removes the excuse of forgetting. Once you have routine entries, focus on structure so entries stay useful. Start each page with the date and mood, list facts or events, reflect briefly, and end with a small next step. This makes insights actionable. Vary your form, bullets for clarity, timestamps for sequence, short paragraphs for emotion, so entries don't become rote. Try morning pages, a daily gratitude line, or an event recap to find what sticks. Make sure to review past notes weekly to link patterns and deepen learning. To finish an entry, always record one actionable takeaway or a tiny goal. This converts reflection into progress. Once done, archive digitally or store paper safely and back up digital logs weekly to prevent loss. If you hit a block, don't wait. Set a 3-minute timer and write anything, even a sentence. That momentum breaks perfectionism. If anxiety or overwhelm appears, shift to gratitude or factual notes for that day. These small fixes keep the habit alive and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.